Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be doing another trending gele style for you guys. At first I start creating my pleats. I created 5 pleats there. So this trending gele style, the ratio is 80-20 ratio. So one hand has to be longer than the other hand. So I'm placing it on my model's head as if I'm tying V-shaped gele. So this is my second gele that I'm using now. I created 5 pleats the way I did at the first step there. So after doing that, so guys, for this gele style, the both long hand has to be, just look at what I'm doing guys, the both long hand has to be in the same place, while this 20% of the gele too has to be in the same place. So the two longer hand now, I'll be creating pleats. So I'll be using this blue for my first. So I'll be using blue as my base. So guys, for this gele, this is my second attempt on this gele. So please just accept it the way you see it. I know as time goes on, if I tie it more often, I'll get it more than this, but because most of you have been requesting it since yesterday that I do when you see my first attempt. So when I post it on my Instagram page, so most of you request me doing tutorial on it, so that is why I say okay, let me do it for you guys today. And this is my second attempt now. So guys, just look at what I'm doing now. I'm bringing the purple inside, bringing that blue on top. So if you are doing this guy, you have to create your pleats. You have to create your pleats. So I first create that my blue pleat. Now I'm creating my purple pleat. I will be placing it on top of that blue. Guys, you will just be doing it as if you are rolling something, but now you are not really rolling it, but instead of you to just be rolling it, you will be creating pleats. I hope you guys are understanding this tutorial guys. So I'm trying to make it to be high there. So guys, just accept me like this. So this is my second attempt. I know very soon I'll get it more than this. So just continue doing it like that. Create pleats, cross it, create pleats, cross it. Create pleats, cross it. Create pleats, cross it. So I'm still creating my pleats now. So I'm telling my students to assist me there. So I'm creating pleats. I'll cross it, I'll create pleats, I'll cross it. I'm sorry if my hand is blocking you guys, I'm very sorry about that. So you create your pleats, you cross it. So create pleats, cross it. As you can see, it's forming it now guys. So you create pleats, you cross it. My pleats guys, I'm still creating my pleats. And please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page guys at glambeauty30. You can send me the gele tutorial you want me to do tutorial on. I'll try my possible best to do it. So if you send me any gele style on my my Instagram page or my WhatsApp that you've not seen me do it, so I'm very sorry about that. Some of the gele that you guys sent to me, I didn't have the gele at hand, so that is why. So I'm very sorry, guys. I'm very sorry about that. So I'm still creating my print now. So now I'm adjusting it. So guys, towards this area here, this is the back. So I'm rolling it using office pin to pin it down there. I'm using office pin to pin it down. So now the 20 parts of the gele now, yes, I'm using office pin to pin it down there. So this gele, there's not much to it. If you see it on Instagram, you think the gele is very hard or difficult. It's not, guys. The people that they are tiny, they did not have two edge like us. They have one edge, so we too can achieve it in our own little way. That is why I try my possible best for my tutorial to be more details for you guys to understand. So if you notice, this other side is more higher than the other side, guys, you have to accept it like that.